Change the transition effect speed. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the transition effect speed. And it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. You have to open the YT Create application. From there you can see I have added up a project. Now if I wanted to add the transition and wanted to change the speed of that transition effect, so all I have to do is to tap right here on the transition effect. So if I tapping after tapping on the transition effect, I will get the different effect from there. Let me select this tunnel zone, and you can see that this effect will be added. Now if I wanted to change the speed of that effect, all I have to do is to drag this white circle and you will see the changes. Application, so it's super easy. And so you can see the changes. So this is how you can easily change the speed of the transition effect. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.